okay. I'm gonna miss you. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. See you, man. Okay.
What?
Hey.
Let's go.
Hey. Hey, switch direction. Hey. 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 Let's go, Christian.
Sienna, Connor, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. No ways. No way, Connor. Ready, set, go. Connor, really?
Go.
Look at this, he's carving like a fox. Yo, that's dope. Connor, peace out, bro. Nice seeing you, Connor.
Peace out, everyone.
It's okay. I'm gonna miss you. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. See you, man. Nice seeing you. Okay. I'm gonna miss you. Bye. So call out my name.
It's like 6:30 now. Probably gonna ride a couple more rides and call it a day. But I'll let you guys know what we're doing.
Christian, do you want to hit? Cut that! No. Christian, come here. Eat. I'm eating or done.
Me too. What do you know? Another water bottle?
Oh, move! Don't make it a scene. Give me the ball! Give me the ball! That's how I get it. Give me the ball! Hopefully. Jesus. So aggressive. I've been around a Serena all day. How do you think of it? Where's Serena? Oh, getting food. Oh yeah. Oh, let's play catch. Sometimes. Shower.
Warm. Feels nice. Okay, I think we're gonna ride Supreme Scream now. And then if we have any extra time, then we're gonna ride Hang Time, I think it's called. Don't really know for sure if we're gonna ride that one, but for sure Supreme Scream. I'm drained, but you know what? We gotta keep pushing. Woo!
What? Wait, what time is it?
It's
It's only 7:30.
Yeah,
We were supposed to.
Yo, the pictures are gonna be so dope. Look at that, we hit the wall.
Me and Sheaden try to hit the wall. Look at us, look at us. Look at his face. Oh my god, Serena threw a peace sign. And look at Christian. He's literally all the way forward.
That was funny.
Oh my god, that's so funny.
That's mad funny actually.
Hey?
My head is like in pain right now. That was fun though. Okay, so I just finished up with the accelerator. My stomach is hurting after this one, and my head's hurting too. I wasn't ready. I was like, ah!
So fast.
It was fun though.
I
But we're gonna head towards the exit now. It's like 10:30, I think. Yeah, 10:30, and it's close. It closes at 11. So we're just gonna head towards the exit so we can actually head out, and we also have to go to the cars. So all this jazz. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the vlog off here. Hope you guys enjoyed. I want to say thank you to you, Nicole.
Thanks for coming.
I had a lot of fun at Knott today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. So yeah, stay tuned guys. Peace.
Peace.